Hi everyone, welcome to Empire Livings. Now today I'm going to show you around our construction site and what we've completed so far this month. So right now I am standing on the center of mass of our building. So this is going to be where our building comes up from. This is the core of our building, which is comprised of 300 metric tons of steel, and it's going to be filled with 1,372 cubic meters of concrete, which as you can see right now is being pumped in to fill this up. And this core is made from 32 steel rebar and took over 4,000 man hours to complete. So this is the core I was talking about. They're filling it completely with concrete. Now this core goes 6.5 meters deep into the earth, and it's connected directly to the raft, which will be the floor of our basement. Now to give you a perspective, this goes 6.5 meters deep, and the raft will start from where I'm standing to the top here. So this is going to be the floor of our basement. We've also done a substantial amount of the waterproofing works, which are to be done in the plot. We've completed 5,000 square feet of waterproofing so far till date. In the coming days, we're going to complete all the PCC here on the ground, as well as complete all the remaining waterproofing that is to happen. Then we will start the steel fixing for the complete raft, which is the first level of the second base. Now there are 3 main tests that we do here for every concrete truck and every concrete batch that comes for our building. The first one is the slump test. Now that test is to ensure that the concrete has the proper consistency and that it's able to flow into the cracks and crevices of the building. Now the second test we do is called the temperature test. Now that makes sure that the concrete is at the correct temperature when it is being poured. If it's too hot or too cold, it can negatively affect the strength of the concrete. The third test that we do is called the cube compression test. The cube compression test, what it does is it tells you how the concrete will harden over time. So over a period of time, the concrete will harden and set. So we make a small cube and that gets sent off to a lab. They do tests like compression tests and strength tests on that cube to give us an idea of how the concrete set and making sure that the concrete is at the correct strength, which is required for our building. We do these tests to make sure that our building is safe and secure and it's of the highest quality for the customers who have purchased from us at Empire Developments.